I'm Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Let's draw Valentine's Day. Minnie and Mickey. Let's draw the hearts. Next, Minnie set and a flower. Then her ears and his head. A cute little nose. Fill the areas with black. Ears and head. Now the hands. Dress. Shoes. And tail. Next is Mickey. Ears first. And then head. Nose. And eyes. Let's draw his body. And tail. Fill the areas with black, nose, and eyes. Let's fill it in color. Red first. Go for Mickey front and shoe. And fill in a smaller heart with red, a cute background. All for red for Valentine's Day. Icicles to complete the background. All done! Like and subscribe. See you later!